Hi guys, what's up? This might be the most exciting video on my channel, I think, ever. We're doing my empty apartment tour in Brooklyn in the condo that I just bought. What is happening? I'm gonna show you guys everything today. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Like, what? It's a dream. I don't think I could have imagined a better space for myself on every level. It's just perfection. So I'm gonna show you guys around. Let's get started. But first, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm gonna be doing lots of like Brooklyn, little days in my life, week in my life videos. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more moving content. I think you guys want to see it, but let's see. You first walk inside and you are immediately greeted with like this hallway. I feel like it's really nice because it's actually like really high ceilings, so it feels like big and open even though like you're starting with the hallway. Immediately on the right hand side we have a New York City gem washer dryer. This is amazing, incredible. I feel so lucky to have in-unit laundry. I think this is also like a really big closet. Now that I own the place, I can kind of maximize what I want to do in here, and I don't have to worry about like things being like renter friendly. I can, you know, really like put in a shelf and like drill into the walls or do whatever. So I feel like I want to maximize the space in here because why not? Like we have this whole big closet. Also love that throughout the apartment, it's like dark finishes. The floor is all dark, and then we have like dark handles on everything, which is nice. This is the first bathroom. This is actually the half bath. I'm at a suburban home when I say that. I'm like, I'm a half bath. Gorgeous with the marble here on the floor. We just have like a nice vanity and, you know, the toilet. I feel like this is great because the other 2 bathrooms could be like closed off, like, you know, if people want their privacy, but then this is like, you know, if I'm having a party, this is the party bathroom. So this is what we're working with in here. Get some nice light. The lighting in this apartment is like amazing. A little simple number, but I love her. Also in this hallway, we have like the hallway closet. So this is just like a big, like the coat closet. I feel like this will be where the coats go. This is just like the generic one. I'm not doing anything like special or fancy with this one. I'm just gonna kind of leave it as it is. I feel like the Wi-Fi goes in here. There's like electrical panel, so yeah, pretty simple. So we're actually going to skip the 2 bedrooms for now because I want to show you guys the living, dining, entertaining, just like the main space. It's kind of all in one, and this is by far my favorite part of the apartment. I love this room because the ceilings are just so high. It doesn't feel like an apartment, you know, like this truly does feel like a home. And the big windows, they're taller than me, which is crazy. I can really thrive off of like natural light. It really like brings me a lot of happiness. So having like some direct light in the morning, just the fact that even right now when I'm filming this, it's like 6 o'clock and we still have this gorgeous amount of natural light, like that's amazing. And the windows do crack open a little bit so we can get some fresh air in here. When you open them, you realize how loud the city actually is. And when they're shut, you realize how well this place actually keeps out the outside noise. So it's kind of like my little sanctuary in the hustle and bustle of the city, which I just love. The way this building is like kind of built out is that some windows have a larger ledge, perfect for sitting. Imagine me cozied up right here with a book in my hand, like enjoying this beautiful cityscape. This view is so cool because you can see the 3 bridges because we're in Brooklyn, but you can see the bridges like going to Manhattan. So you can see the Manhattan Bridge, the Brooklyn Bridge, and the Williamsburg Bridge. We can also see some other bridges and like just stuff kind of like all around. I'm just hoping that no more like skyscrapers go up like right here and I'm struck to this perfect view to see like the boats go by. I don't think I'll ever get sick of this view. I'm really excited to see it at night. So come take a look. So this is actually a corner unit. So we have a nice big column here. I kind of love it. I feel like it makes the space once again feel so like grand and luxe. It's like decor without being decor, but it's like actually a functional purpose. Maybe it's because I just went to Italy, so I'm like obsessed with columns now. And here we have the beautiful like kitchen. This is like the kitchen, I feel like, of my dreams. I feel like everything is just like, it feels so big. We have everything from this amazing, I also love the gray. Like, it looks like it's all like super cohesive, but then we have like nice stainless steel appliances too. This is gonna be the kitchen I really become a chef, guys. I promise I'm going to really lean in now, okay? I promise. This is a nice double door fridge. It is so big. My fridge currently is a drink fridge. This fridge is not just going to be a drink fridge. It's like, it's too big for that, simply. And there's actually on the top there, that's a cooling tray for like baking or anything you need to like, you know, kind of cool down. You can put it up there, which I think is really cool. Once again, the dark hardware and everything. And then we have this massive freezer. Like, I feel like I have to like go to work to pick this up. Nice. It's like really nice and deep, but my favorite thing about this, that is, once again, another New York City luxury, we have an ice maker. Yeah, we do. So catch me having brain freezes every day from the super, super cold water that I'm drinking. And that is like one of my favorite things in life. So love this and big fan. Right next to it, we have a wine fridge. So maybe I'll become a wino. Here is what they say, a wino. Maybe a wine drinker, a wine connoisseur. You can like, you know, put them on the racks there. I feel like it just like looks really nice though, right? And then all of the cabinets, everything, like oh my gosh, they're so sleek. There's so many. The storage is impeccable. The shelves go like really nice and deep. So I think we need to get some organizers in here to help me set this thing up properly, because there's a lot of room for opportunity with these. Nice soft closed drawers here, just like more cabinets. I love the like amount of drawer options, and everything just like looks, like I said, so sleek. And then here, this is actually lava stone, so I have to be, I think, kind of careful with it. I think I'm gonna get it like sealed and treated, because I'm very nervous of like staining it or ruining it, and I don't want to be that crazy friend that's like, don't put your drink down. I refuse to turn into my parents and be, here's the coaster. Like, no, I can't. You can actually, there's like a bar built in here, so I could like hook pots and pans onto this. I feel like it's like, oh, like this is amazing. Up here we have like a bit of a darker gray, which I think the contrast is really nice. The cabinets on this side, just like that. The one thing I have in here from Trader Joe's today, baked cheese, cheese, these are the best. I will eat the whole bag in one sitting, so I'm just deciding when that should be, maybe tonight. My dinner. I have a gas stove. I feel like I am like one of the last people in New York City to have like a new apartment, because no one's ever lived here before me. I'm the first person to live in here. Crazy. And I might be one of the last to have a gas stove, because I think now everything's electric. Nice stainless steel beauty here, and lots of like outlets. I feel like everything is just like really smart. What's this right here? That would be the light. You know, when you get a new place and you're like still kind of learning like where all the outlets are and everything, like I'm still in that like adjustment mode. I clearly haven't slept here yet, so you're learning right along with me. Another crazy thing about purchasing a condo is that I only saw it actually 3 times before I made the offer. There were just certain like conditions that I haven't seen it. Like, this is the first day that it's like really like sunny and beautiful outside that I'm seeing the place, and I own it now. So it's pretty crazy. It's going to be like a journey of discovery in here, which I'm excited about. So yay, lots of good stuff. You know, we've got drawers, we've got cabinets, like I said, plenty of storage, even more up here. I can finally get all of those like appliances and things that, like, you know, like a rice cooker, like I want it, but like I don't have room for it. I'm getting the damn rice cooker now. And then here we have some beautiful stainless steel appliances. This is actually a convection oven, but then also a microwave. It's like a fancy microwave. I've seen these before. I've heard rumors about these, but this is my microwave now. But it looks like an oven. Like, this looks like a double oven. And then down here we have my oven, and both stainless steel, both new, both gorgeous. And then on this side, we have more of those like gray cabinets, and this one that seemingly looks like a gray cabinet, but it's actually my dishwasher. It just blends right in. This is great to have, and I love that. This just feels right. So we've got a nice big kitchen island, and we have these nice lights up here too. I think it gives like a cool vibe, you know? I'm so nervous about staining this stone though. So until I do something, I'm like putting all of my drinks and everything like in the sink. So this is my Cane's lemonade. Cheers. Love that. I also have a garbage disposal, which is very exciting. It's like a chef's dream to be able to like put all your scraps on there and everything. And I've never had that in New York, so I'm excited about that. So this is the secondary bedroom. I'm personally going to be using this, I think, as like a office/filming space. My boyfriend's moving in here too, so he's gonna be like studying in here. I'm gonna be filming in here. Like it's just gonna kind of be like a secondary room. But like when we have friends come to town or family or anything, they can also stay in here because there is a bathroom attached. Like it's like an ensuite, so very fancy. This room has the best view in the whole place. Pretty good to be like working or studying and having that beautiful view that we saw before of Manhattan. It's even better in here. So I'm thinking we'll do like a desk over here. I kind of want to leave like some of it like a little blank in case I need to like, you know, film, like if I want to film like fashion and beauty videos or anything, just have like a nice blank wall. Like that would be fun. And like the lighting would be really good in here. I do love, once again, the window seat. And I think I want to build a bookshelf into this like little nook right here. I feel like it's screaming bookshelf. Then here, like at the front of the room when you first walk in, there is a closet. So we have a nice large closet in here. I'm actually going to get my closets done. So they're going to like rip this out and put in like new organizational systems and stuff. But there's a lot of space to work with here. And then for the bathroom, this is the bathroom that has a bathtub. So I feel like I'll be using this. We have beautiful marble. This bathroom's like a little bit lighter. I feel like it's like white, kind of girly, the same like drawer system. And this, I love the medicine cabinet that opens up. That's really nice. And then here we have a nice bath. I'm thinking that eventually I would like to get like a half glass wall installed, just so that it's not like a shower curtain, but we're gonna start with just a shower curtain, I think. I'm gonna be using this bathtub for sure. I really like this room. I can't wait to see it. I feel like this is like the fun room. Like I can't wait to see what we do with it. Now here is the primary bedroom. This is my second favorite room in the house, so come on in. This is like the bathroom of my dreams. I feel like I don't have to do anything to it. It's just perfect, which I feel like a lot of this apartment is just like, there's not really much work required. I feel like it's really like my style. It's modern. Everything was like built right, you know, like the medicine cabinets and the drawers and like the hooks, like everything's just in the right place. So with that being said, the bathroom, she's green. We have a double sink, his and hers, which I think is great. Same like mirror medicine cabinet situation and the same like nice big drawers. I really like these. Like I feel like they give it a nice light and you can kind of turn off the big light. I hate a big light. So like this nice warm glow if you're like, you know, going to the bathroom at night. You don't want to be like, This is like the shower of my dreams. This nice wall, and you have the two options of like the overhead, like the big, like what do they call it? Like a rain shower, or the handheld. And there's actually no door, which I think is crazy. We'll see how that goes, but it looks like it all kind of drains over there. And I just love the shower. I feel like this is like a hotel bathroom, but it's like my personal bathroom. Like it feels like it's too nice for me to use. What really makes it too nice is this. Guys, this is radiant heat floors. Yeah, you heard that right. So if it's like, you know, a cold winter night and you want your toes to be warm when you come out of the shower, you crank this baby up and like with 30 minutes, an hour, like you've got some warm bathroom floor. Like this is luxury. I cannot believe I live here. I'm going to live here. Like that just feels like a treat. Like I feel like I've stayed at Airbnbs before that have that. And I'm like, wow, to who do I owe the honor? Now I have it. What? And isn't this color is so cool, right? It's like earthy. I like it a lot. I definitely wouldn't have like picked it out, but I just think that it goes so well with like the marble and the dark finishes. It just makes sense. So I really like this bathroom, if you can't tell. So we have the bathroom over here, and then we have two closets like across from each other. So they're a little bit different. This one is like a double door, opens up like this. We're gonna redo the closets just because there's like so much missed opportunity, I feel like, with the space up here. So stay tuned for all of that. But this one is the double door one. This will be my boyfriend's closet. So we'll look at that. This one will be my closet. I kind of like that they're different layouts. I feel like it's fun. And this is, technically a walk-in closet, a step in. So, hi. And I'm excited to see what we do with this one too. There's like a lot of space up here. I feel like I can really, do like my winter storage at the top, and you'll have to stay tuned to see the closet transformation. But let's check out the room. And then this is the space of the bedroom. Lots of opportunity. I'm actually going to do a king bed for the first time. I'm really making this like it's a hotel, because this is an investment. This is something that I'm going to be in for a while. So we're going to do it right. Room is definitely big enough for a king bed. So I'm thinking like maybe the bed over here and then like the TV up over here. But I'm still open-minded with this room as well. I am trying not to rush out into anything. I want it to be like slowly picking up pieces over time and doing it right. The view in this bedroom is slightly different than the other views, but still amazing nonetheless. We have a great Brooklyn view in here and another little window seat. And that is the tour of my very first home purchase. I mean, I'm a homeowner technically, right? So I'm just so thankful. I still doesn't feel real. Like I feel like I'm like cosplaying as like an HGTV host right now. Like it feels like this isn't my actual house. I have no words, truly. I just feel so grateful. So thank you. Let me know what other like apartment type of stuff you want to see. Clearly we have a lot of decorating to do. So it's going to be a journey. So subscribe, stay tuned, and comment down below if you're Team Brooklyn or Team Manhattan, because I'm a Brooklyn girl now, and I get the hype. I think it makes sense, Brooklyn. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.